I'm Andrea, My Live Bookkeeper. I'm an advanced certified QuickBooks expert with over 20 years of bookkeeping and accounting experience. Browser tips. These browser tips are based on Google's Chrome browser, which is the preferred browser for QuickBooks. However, many of these tips work in other browsers as well. 1. Click a choice in the left navigation bar, New, Gear icon, or Access Points. Drag it up and click again to access it in a new tab in the existing browser. 2. Log into a QuickBooks company, right-click your browser tab, left-click Duplicate. You can repeat this as many times as you like. Now you have multiple tabs logged into the same QuickBooks company. 3. If you have 2 or more different QuickBooks companies, you can log in to each of them using 2 or more different browsers, such as Chrome, Firefox, and Safari, or log in as an incognito user. 4. Right-click the back arrow of the browser to display a recent history of the screens you were on previously. Left-click the one you want to return to and resume working. 5. If you're getting unexpected results when working in QuickBooks or are having problems logging in, make sure to clear your cache and cookies in Chrome via Customize, History, Clear Browsing Data, or try using an incognito window. 6. Control plus and Control minus allow you to zoom in and out quickly. Keyboard shortcut tips. You may be working with keyboard shortcuts when using desktop programs. There are also keyboard shortcuts when working in QuickBooks. Some common keyboard shortcuts can be found by clicking Control-Alt/. If you're on a Mac, use Option-Control/. Notice that the same shortcut key acts differently depending on the screen you're in. For example, Control-Alt-C opens the Customer Center. If you're not in the middle of creating a transaction, that is. If you're in the middle of creating a transaction, it cancels that transaction. These shortcuts indicate what function you will fulfill quickly in a Windows environment by clicking on Control-Alt plus the letter. The list of letters is in the chart below. If you're using a Mac, substitute Command-Option plus the letter. This screen is also one place you can find your QuickBooks Company ID, which you might need if you have to call technical support. Also, the Escape key will cancel the current transaction being entered or edited. Other keyboard shortcuts you may be interested in are the date shortcuts. When you're in a date field, you can move forward and backward a day at a time by using the plus or minus keys. To go to today, use the letter T. Here are some other date shortcuts. W for first day of the week, K for the last day of the week, M for the first day of the month, H for the last day of the month, Y for the first day of the year, R for the last day of the year. Do you see the pattern? Use the first letter to go to the beginning and the last letter to go to the end of the time period. Calculations. There's a simple calculator on the rate or amount field of a transaction. Enter your first number, then use your keyboard to add or subtract, multiply, or divide. The beauty of this feature is the results are entered directly into the transaction by clicking the Tab key and moving to the next field. No typing of numbers is necessary. You've now seen an overview of browser functionality and keyboard shortcuts. I'm Andrea, My Live Bookkeeper. Check the description box below for special offers and links, including one to the free QuickBooks Online test drive account. If you found this content helpful, please like, comment, or share.